Welcome back. Today we are in for a real treat. What I am standing in front of right now is the Shiraz by Supreme Homes. And what it is a 1,464 square foot modular with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Before I go too much further into what we got going on here, I want to say thank you to today's sponsor, Factor, for even making this video possible. More on them in just a second. Since I'm already standing outside, I think it only makes sense to start with a few of the exterior features that I really like on this home, and there are 3. All 3 features are kind of tied together and give us the overall look of the home, and that's the rockwork, the covered porch, and the roof pitch. This is a craftsman style home, and I want to direct your attention above the entrance door because that's going to make a huge difference when we go inside. So note it down for later, all right? Note it down. One of the things that I noticed here at Supreme is the designer has done a great job taking a traditional style home and making it slap with a little bit of a smaller detail. A perfect example of that is these windows. They've got black windows and a black door, and on this home I just think it gives it a little bit of extra something that really looks great. The dimensions of the Shiraz are 34 feet wide by 46 feet long, and yeah, the exterior is great. But where I think it really shines is on the interior, specifically right when you walk in the door. Should we do it? Yeah, let's do it. Check this out. There are 2 things that really set this entrance apart. I'm going to start with the wood. So you'll notice this distressed wood, but this isn't something that they stripped off of a barn up the street. It's actually made to look like this. And apparently it's been quite popular because I'm told the company that they get it from has a bit of a backlog right now. I can see why, because it looks awesome. You might be sitting there thinking, oh yeah, the distressed wood, that is the most important feature of this entrance. And typically you'd probably be right, but not today. If I pan up, and I will, you'll see the ceiling height is what really makes this entrance special. They've got a chandelier up there, and it just makes the entire home feel spacious the second you walk in. Now, whenever I'm presenting anything, people always want to know, where am I going to hang my hoodie? And I don't know if it's in the shot, but I think it is. And you'll notice that there's 3 hooks right there to hang up a coat, a hoodie, or whatever you want to hang up, which is great. But that's just the start. Let's go over here. Immediately to the right of the front door is a full walk-in closet. And in said closet, they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double hooks. So that's 10 spots to hang up whatever you want to hang up. And then they've got this spot right here where you could hang even more coats if you've got that many. We've already had 13 spots for coats. So at this point, maybe you're hanging up pants. You've got the room for it. Moving beyond the entryway into the actual meat and potatoes of the home, you get into the living room, dining room, and kitchen. First thing I noticed walking in here was the amount of natural light. So we got 1, 2 windows there, sliding glass door, 3, 4, 5 windows, plus a sliding glass door is 7. Just kidding. The way it's set up, we've got the dining room over here, and then the living room, gas fireplace there, built-in storage on that wall with the TV, and this furniture placement makes a lot of sense. They got the L couch, chair over there. This would be my spot right here. Good luck staying awake. It looks very comfortable. Then if I move over here into the kitchen, this is a bit of a showstopper, really. Look at the size of this island. They've got enough room for easily 4 bar stools, and I'm guessing this overhang could be extended if you've got more friends than I do. Now, here's something fun that I was not expecting. They've got this place for your flour and everything else right here in the corner. But wait, there's more. This would be the ultimate hide and seek spot as a kid if you bring your friends over for the first time. Yeah, come find me. They're never gonna find you in there because it just looks like you'd open it up and see a bag of chips or 2. But no, you're walking right in, so that's fun. On this side of the island, we've got dishwasher, sink, garbage right here, cabinet down there. So lots of prep area. If I want to make my regionally famous nachos, I'm going to do it right there. And then over here, more cabinets up top, bank of drawers on either side of the oven, which is nice. Fridge. You got spots for wine. I guess those are for wine up there. And more storage up there. So definitely lots of storage in this kitchen. For all the people out there who enjoy cooking and have more than one signature dish, this kitchen has everything you need and then some. I, on the other hand, am a terrible cook, but that's why I'm thankful for today's sponsor, Factor. If you've been watching the channel for any length of time, you already know that I'm a terrible cook, and what I am cooking isn't all that healthy. Honestly, I can't think of many adults mailing it in at my level. I think a lot of it has to do with a full-on lack of interest. I like to eat, but I don't like to cook, so I default to whatever is easiest. That hasn't been a recipe for healthy meals until now. I am very excited about today's sponsor, Factor. Factor meals eliminate the hassle of prepping, cooking, and cleaning up. All steps that I won't miss. Simply heat and savor the good stuff. I understand that some people like to spend an hour or more prepping and stirring sauces, tenderizing meat, or whatever it is you do, but I just want to eat. With Factor, I can get chef-prepared meals on the table in 2 minutes with far more flavor per bite than the programs I've been running for years now. Even better yet, Factor now offers loads of snack options like breakfast, smoothies, juices, small bites, and more to keep me going no matter what's on the schedule or where I am. I've been looking to make healthier choices, but never took the time to make it a reality, so I'm excited to finally give my body a chance with some nutrients from Factor. Head over to factor75.com or click the link below and use code CARRY50 to get 50% off your first Factor box and 20% off your next month of orders. That's code CARRY50 at factor75.com to get 50% off your first box plus 20% off your next month of orders. When you walk in the front door of the Shiraz, straight on and to the right is the living room and kitchen, as we just saw, and to the left is the bedrooms and bathrooms. Now, the Shiraz is designed to go onto a full basement, so the first door on the right is actually where the stair access to the basement would be, so we'll just ignore that. But going further down the hall, first door on the left is one bedroom, then we've got hall closet, the main bedroom over here with an ensuite, bathroom at the end of the hall, and then the third bedroom over here. Let's have a look at each. Between the second and third bedroom, this is the larger of the two. It's almost 10 by 12. And the reason it's got that extra size is because if you think back to the outside of the home, there's that section that was kind of pushed out that had the rockwork on it. And that just gives it a little bit of extra width. So there's easily enough room for this child's bed. You got a little desk right there. And then they've got the closet over in the corner. So moving on. Bedroom 3 they've got set up as a nursery, and I'm definitely not going to try getting into that because it would be in a million pieces extremely fast. So this bedroom is about 9 by 11, definitely a little bit smaller, but they've got it set up as the nursery, which makes sense because it is directly across from the main bedroom. Let's go check that out. The main bedroom is about 12 feet by 13 feet, and it is a lot of space. Check this out. I think this is a double bed, and you got all this space over here. You got a similar amount of space over there, so there's more than enough room to throw a king or a queen in here, no problem. Now, over there, they've got a full walk-in closet, and then on this side is where we will go into the ensuite. The ensuite comes complete with this walk-in shower with a glass door. You've got shelves in the corner, which is kind of nice, and then coming out, you've got the toilet, which is directly across from a window. Now, if you've got neighbors, I would put the blinds down. If you don't, feel free to leave them up and enjoy the view while you're doing your thing. Why not? So the bathroom vanity has 2 banks of drawers, one on either side of the sink. They've got a cabinet underneath, and then they've got this full, almost floor-to-ceiling cabinet on the right side for towels. You could even maybe store your Ginch in there if you wanted to. Now above the mirror, we've got a set of 3 lights on top of the light that we've got just in the general area, so that's kind of nice. All in all, it's a nice space. The last space in the home is the main bathroom, and this is where a lot of companies mail it in because, first of all, nobody really expects too much. It's the main bathroom, who cares? But what they've done in here that I kind of like is they've got a feature wall behind the toilet, and then they've got the floating vanity, and I really like the tile work on the floor. That's all across from a tub shower unit, which looks to be deeper than most that I've seen. It's definitely not a soaker tub, but it does seem bigger than a lot of the standard units. I'm not going to get into it because this is a very, very professional channel, and I'm 6'2" and usually stay away from bathtubs because I just don't fit all that well. But this one's got a nice lean to it. It's got a nice sidewall that would give it a little bit of depth. So yeah, I think it could be workable. All right, here we go, heading in the front door. First thing you see is the coat closet right there. Lots of space to hang up whatever you're hanging. And then, of course, the oversized entrance, overheight I should say. Just past the entrance, you arrive into the living room. They've got the built-in cabinets there, perfect spot for the TV, fireplace and mantle over here, window, window, sliding glass door, and then we are in the dining room. Here's a nice look at the kitchen. You got the island with the bar stools there, pendant lights coming down, dark cabinets in this one, which looks kind of cool. The trap door into the pantry is open for our arrival. This is where the microwave is, and of course, they've got a bit of extra shelving to store whatever it is you want to store in your kitchen. So I'm going to go by, kind of pan through here to get another look from this angle. So this entire half of the home is living space, kitchen. Then on this side, this is the stair access going downstairs because this is built to go onto a full foundation. First door is bedroom 3. Second door is bedroom 2. And then at the end of the hall, they've got the main bathroom. Tub shower here, as you saw. And then wrapping around, there's the toilet, the vanity. Go down this way, and we are in the main bedroom. So this is a good sized bedroom. Lots of room for the bed here. Got the window over here, and we're gonna loop around into the ensuite. Walk-in shower, toilet, vanity, and again, just like most things from Supreme Homes, lots of storage. No shortage of storage in anything I've seen from them. Here is the walk-in closet for this one. See if I can find the light. There we go. Final thoughts on the Shiraz from Supreme Homes is I like it. They've done a lot of nice things in this home. So you've got the Craftsman exterior with the covered porch. You've got the overheight entryway when you walk in the front door, which just kind of sets the pace for the rest of the home. You've got the huge island in the kitchen, the secret pantry door that's open to this living room that I'm sitting in now with the built-in storage and the fireplace. I really like the entire end of this home. It feels so open with all those windows, and it's really an entertainer's paradise because it's just got so much space. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,464 square foot modular. Big thank you going out to Factor for making this video even possible. If you want to find out more about what they've got, there's going to be a link in the description down below. That's all I've got for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.